What's up, people? Jonathan Rojas here, signing in after a month after Hurricane Maria hit Puerto Rico. Came to my local fishing spot just to see how things are, and I must say it's unrecognizable. If you see, this is where I usually park, right here, and I come down this way. And I must say, this just left me in shock. This whole area here was all green before, all the way to the edge of the bank. And as you can see, the water definitely came very high up. You can see the amount of debris, how high the water. You see that there, the column? There's debris about, I don't know what this, like 15-20 feet up, stuck on that column there. That is really just phenomenal. But hey, there's water still, so there must be life still there. This, as you can see, also a lot of water came down that way, and it's all just totally different from what it used to be. Maybe I'll come by next week and try my luck out and see what happens. But yeah, it's really different. In a way, it's positive because it's a lot cleaner now. Not a lot of, grass and trees and stuff. So it's easier to get down the path. But wow, this is really shocking to me. But I don't know. We'll just see next week. We'll see if we can catch some fish. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in.